Today I'm going to show you how to work the double crochet thermal stitch. I began for a sample today with a beginning chain of 11 with a single crochet in each chain across. For the first row, we're going to just chain one and turn. We're going to work in the back loops only for this row. This is going to be the beginning of what we will use to create the foundation for the double crochet thermal stitch. You're going to double crochet in the back loop. So if this is the tops of the stitches, this is your front loop and this is your back loop. So yarn over for the double crochet, insert your hook into the back loop only and complete your double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in the back loop only and complete your double crochet. We're going to do this all the way across the row. Okay, so I've completed the back loop double crochet all the way across the row. I'm going to chain one, and typically you're going to turn. For the sake of this stitch, it's almost easiest to not turn and to just kind of rotate your work for the first couple stitches. So when I say rotate, I just mean kind of turn sideways. You're going to yarn over and you're going to work in the back loop again. Now remember, if you turned your work, the back loop is going to be this loop right here. If we've turned our work on the side, you're going to yarn over for your double crochet, go into that back loop, and also grab the unworked loop from the row below. So you're going to have both those loops, yarn over, pull through, and now you're going to complete your double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go through the back loop of the next stitch, and then drop down and grab that loop from the row below, yarn over, pull through, and then complete the double crochet. Yarn over, grab the back loop only, and then drop down and grab that other unworked loop and pull up a loop, or complete the double crochet, sorry. You're going to do this all the way across the row. So yarn over, insert through the back loop only, and then drop down and grab the unworked loop. The first row is easiest to work kind of sideways so you can see what you're doing. Plus you don't have much of a base to hold with your hands. After you get a couple of rows, it'll actually become easier to just work traditional with a turn on it. We're going to come down here, keep working. Whoops. The last one's a little tricky, so make sure you have all of your stitches for that row. Grab that back loop and then drop back down, and you can see the turning chain right there. All right, so we've worked our second row. So what we've done is we've kind of pushed this and scrunched this double crochet from our second row down a little bit, pulling up the back. This creates almost like a double layer of the stitch. Chain one and turn. This one I'm going to work more traditional, so I'm going to yarn over, I'm going to grab that back loop, and then continue down and grab the unworked loop from the prior row and work your double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, continue to go down, yarn over, complete the double crochet, and work this all the way across the row. You're going to repeat this over and over until you get the desired length that you want. So a couple more slow, yarn over, insert in that back loop, drop down and grab the unworked loop from the prior row. Complete the double crochet, yarn over, insert in the back loop only, and then in the unworked loop, and complete the double crochet. Repeat these stitches until you reach the desired length. And then I'll show you how I complete the final row to finish off your work so you don't have this unworked loop right here. You want to continue getting that double layer of fabric throughout your whole project. So I'm going to pretend this next row is my final row. I'm going to turn. You're going to work this same method, but you're going to work a single crochet. Remember, we began with a single crochet row. We're going to end with a single crochet row. This time we're going to work through both loops of the stitch and drop down and grab that unworked loop of the prior row, pull up a loop, and complete a single crochet. Insert through both loops, front and back, drop down and grab the unworked loop, and single crochet. You're going to do this across the entire row. So insert through the full stitch, grab the unworked loop from the prior row, and complete that all the way across. And that is how you get the thermal double crochet stitch.